Flaps 0.
1054, SoCal approach. Lima is now current. Now temperature 3013. Expect the visual approach runway 24 right. Delta 302, speed 180 or greater until Kobe. 4.35.
13435, AMX 43.
500.
Delta 26,
300.
Minimums. Continue.
100. 40. Retard.
Gear up.
100.
Clear for takeoff 27 right, wind 2705.
Clear for takeoff 27 right, and remarks WestJet 19.
And 78 taxi link 21, link 23, hold Alpha 1.
Link 21, link 23, hold short Alpha 1, Egypt 778.
Seven 17, hold short Lima please.
Hold short Lima 2. Call Lima 3 right. I'm stopping at El Al aircraft, we clear line up on 275 by Full copy going.
Flaps 0.
Hello, this is 27653A.
500.
Minimums. Continue.
40. 20. 20. 20. 20. Retard.
Clear for takeoff 27 right, 2706 knots.
Clear for takeoff 27 right and all 316.
The 324 behind the departing LL 787, line up and wait 27 right, there will be one heavy intersection departure ahead of you.
Behind departing LL 787, line up and wait 27 right with an intersection heavy in front of 324. Spirit 277, would you like us to go kilo?
No, you best, in fact,
Flaps 0. Flaps 0.
Rocket 1054, SoCal approach. Lima is now current. Now temperature 3013. Expect the visual approach runway 24 right. Delta 302, speed 180 or greater until Kobe. 4.35.
13435, AMX 43.
Delta 2606,
ready for departure. All your mobile phones and electronic devices should be switched off. Please make sure your seatbelt is not fastened and to make yourself comfortable.
Takeoff. Thrust set. 100 knots. Check.
V1.
Rotate. Gear up. Gear up. Gear up. Gear too low.
Delta 302, contact tower 133.9, good night.
Gear too low.